guys, this is your boy Shannon Johnson. How you doing today? I'm not gonna tell you what it is. I got a package, and it has to do something new. And I wasn't gonna open it without you guys. Let's do it. Oh my god! Yo! I forgot when these were coming. Yo! Oh yeah, and if you don't know what these are the new foam pockets. They're beige under. They're like black here. And then black here. Yo, this looks sick too. Oh my god. Crazy. Look at here. Yo, this is crazy. Go on my Instagram, jjohnson024. I'm gonna be making photos about these every day. I'm gonna try as long as they last. Yo, these are so cool. Damn. What? Why are you? Yo, this is crazy. Yo, this Nike. You go to your house. Yo, this Nike thing is cool. Yo, doesn't this look sick, bro? Yo. Crazy. Yo. Oh yeah, I wanted to tell you guys this. I want to tell, right? My mom wanted me to get these, right? But I didn't want them. So, I woke up, right? She texted me on Kick. She showed me on the website when they're gonna release the new shoes. And then she kicked them to me the photo. And then I was like, I don't like those. But I looked closely and I was like, fine. But I really wanted the gray ones. But now up close, damn, these are awesome. Oh yeah, and then right, these were released at 10 o'clock, 10:24. My mom went on every single website to look. My shoe size is 8 for men. My brother is 9 for men. Yo, they were sold out mostly everywhere. My size. And then she went on Nike.com. They had them. Thank God, I love you, Nike.com. These are my first pair of phones. No one in this house is gonna touch them. Like, oh hell nah. Okay, these are so cool. I'm gonna get some new phones. Wee, so cool. Okay, stay cool, look cool. Peace.